Okay, if you are in India, go to ERNet India website, which is www.registry.ernet.in, and go to there. You will find your registration process. Click over there, and you can see here the terms and conditions for .ac and .edu. Who can apply? Only public and private educational institution, primary secondary schools, government and private colleges or universities. What are the requirements of the documents? On a formal request on the letterhead of the institution, duly signed by the head of the institution. This is the first requirement. Second, along with that letter, payment has to be sent through demand draft payable at ERNet India, New Delhi. Okay, DD would be near about 830 as of now for .ac.in or .edu extension. You can search, and in this website, when you search, you will get the pricing details, how much money they are willing to have. After that, they are saying that the domain name registration will be initiated only after receiving the payment letter, document proof, and online registration form given in the website below. Okay, so these are only two documents which are required. On the letterhead of the institution or organization, you need to write that this is the domain name extension which we are willing to register with .ac.in or .edu extension, and in favor of that you pay a DD of 830 rupees or somewhere else. You can see in the price list, and fill up in online form, which I would show you right now. Once you submit this form, and they will receive this demand draft and this document letter, they will let you allow to register your website. Okay, so for that domain registration, you have to now go to, I'm saying you go to this place, search for availability. If you would go here, you can find here the registration form. You need to fill up all the details of your organization, who is the owner, what is your website name of an organization, whatever they are asking here. Just submit here, fill here, and send the demand draft to that address. Okay, once you set that those details and documents, let's see the tariff. They are saying that for 1 year extension they are asking for 843 rupees. Okay, for .edu.in or .edu or for .ac.in. Okay, so that's it. This is the process if you are going to register .in or .ac.in or .edu. Remember that .ac.in and .edu cannot be registered anywhere else rather than this website in India. Okay, as of now. But if you are going to register .com, .org, blah blah blah, there are a lot many more. You can choose among GoDaddy.com, BigRocks.com, Domains.in. There are 100, more than 100.